Whether cleaning 1 or 100 drains, the FreeStyle Linear Drain snap caps make cleaning just that, a snap. To begin, ensure that all strainer height adjustment screws are beginning at the same height. Verify snap cap placement by reviewing diagrams A and B of the installation instructions bulletin. The screws that will be receiving snap caps should then be depressed an additional 2 full rotations into the drain base. Starting with the ends, install 2 snap caps across from one another, then continue down the drain body. Next, install the strainer. Begin by placing half moon over one end of the snap cap sets. Install remaining strainer by working down the drain base. Ensure all snap caps are snapped into place. The strainer can now be removed for cleaning as needed, using a screwdriver or a small hook-like tool. Start at one end of the strainer and pry upward until the snap caps disengage from the strainer. Simply reinstall the strainer after cleaning. Noble Company's FreeStyle Linear Drain now makes cleaning a snap.